Opinion Apple iPhone 11, 64GB, 2023 review. The Apple iPhone 11, 64GB is a smartphone that was released by Apple in September 2019. It is a successor of the iPhone XR and the predecessor of the iPhone 12. It is a mid-range option for those who want a modern iPhone without paying the premium price of the Pro models. Here is a brief review of its features and specifications, design and display. The iPhone 11 has a 6.1-inch Liquid Retina HD display with IPS technology, which offers a resolution of 1792 by 828 pixels at 326 ppi. The display supports True Tone, Wide Color, and Haptic Touch. The phone has a glass back and an aluminum frame, with a notch for the True Depth front camera and Face ID. The phone comes in 6 colors: black, green, yellow, purple, red, and white. Performance and battery. The iPhone 11 is powered by the A13 Bionic chip, which is a 6-core CPU with 2 performance and 4 efficiency cores, a 4-core GPU, and an 8-core neural engine. The chip enables advanced features like Deep Fusion, Night Mode, Quick Take Video, and more. The phone has a battery life of up to 17 hours of video playback, and supports wireless charging and fast charging with an 18W adapter, sold separately. Camera and video. The iPhone 11 has a dual 12MP camera system that consists of a wide camera with f/1.8 aperture and an ultra-wide camera with f/2.4 aperture and 120-degree field of view. The camera system can capture stunning photos and videos in various modes, such as portrait mode, panorama mode, night mode, slow-mo mode, time-lapse mode, and more. The phone can also record videos in 4K at up to 60 FPS, with extended dynamic range, audio zoom, and cinematic video stabilization. The True Depth front camera is also a 12MP camera with f/2.2 aperture, which can take selfies and portraits, record videos in 4K or slow-mo, and enable Animoji and Memoji. Other features. The iPhone 11 has several other features that make it a great smartphone, such as Face ID, a secure facial authentication system that works in any orientation and lighting condition. Splash, water, and dust resistant, rated IP68, maximum depth of 2 meters up to 30 minutes, under IEC standard 60529. Stereo speakers, deliver immersive sound quality for music, movies, games, and calls. Wi-Fi 6, supports faster and more reliable wireless connectivity. Dual SIM, supports 1 nano SIM card and 1 eSIM card for using 2 different numbers or plans. The Apple iPhone 11, 64GB is available for purchase from various online and offline retailers, such as Apple, https://www.apple.com/shop/buy-iPhone/iPhone-11, where you can get up to $200 in credit when you trade in an eligible smartphone. Amazon, https://www.amazon.com/apple-iPhone-1164GB-unlock/DP/B07ZQRMWVB, where you can get free delivery and easy returns. Target, https://w www.target.com/p/apple-iPhone-11-pre-owned-owned-pre-owned-owned-pre-owned-owned-pre-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned-owned 60. GB is a solid smartphone that offers good performance, battery life, camera quality, and design for a relatively reasonable price. It is ideal for those who want an iPhone that can handle most tasks without breaking the bank. However, it is not the most exciting or innovative iPhone model, as it lacks some features that the newer models have, such as OLED display, MagSafe charging, LiDAR scanner, ProMotion technology, etc. If you are looking for a more premium or future-proof option, you may want to consider the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 14 instead. Learn more. 1. iPhone 11, Technical specifications, Apple support. https://support.apple.com/kb/sp804 $n_us. 2. https://www.cricketwireless.com/prepaid-phone/smartphones iPhone-11-64GB-black.html. Apple iPhone 11, 64GB black price, specs and amp, deals Cricket Wireless, recommended.